Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Bonbon filling. First, gather your ingredients: high-quality chocolate, heavy cream, and any flavorings you desire. Next, finely chop your chocolate. This ensures it melts evenly for a smooth ganache. Then, gently heat your heavy cream in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer. Be careful not to let it boil, as this can affect the final texture. Once your cream is hot, pour it directly over the finely chopped chocolate. Let this mixture sit undisturbed for about 2 minutes. This allows the chocolate to soften. After 2 minutes, begin stirring gently from the center of the bowl, gradually expanding outwards. This technique helps to properly emulsify the ganache, creating a beautifully smooth and glossy texture. Now is the perfect time to stir in your chosen flavorings. After emulsifying, it's crucial to let your ganache cool completely. Place it at room temperature, not in the refrigerator, to achieve the ideal consistency. As it cools, give it an occasional gentle stir. This prevents a thick skin from forming on top and ensures a uniform texture throughout. The goal is a filling that is firm enough to hold its shape when piped, yet remains wonderfully smooth and creamy. Once your filling has reached the perfect consistency, transfer it into a piping bag. This makes filling your chocolate shells much easier and cleaner. Carefully pipe the ganache into each shell, remembering to leave a small amount of space at the top for the final chocolate layer. For other great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Store your finished bonbons in an airtight container at a cool room temperature to maintain their freshness and quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.